So in this VN video editor tutorial, I will be showing you how to duplicate a video here on VN video editor. So for example, if I have my video right here and I wanted to add like a sticker, let's just go ahead and add, I don't know, we'll scroll up here. Let's say I wanted to add this YouTube logo just like that, and I wanted to duplicate this exact video. Well, the simplest way to do it is to press your video right here, press it, and then where it says duplicate, go ahead and select that right here, and you duplicate your actual video. So you have the video here with the YouTube logo, and if you maybe want a video without it, you can go ahead and play the entire thing here. So here's my video with the YouTube logo, but if you want the same video to play maybe without it, you can then have it playing right behind it right here, and you can kind of edit it as it follows. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to duplicate a video here on VN Video Editor. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.